Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. So today the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has come up with 4 announcements as on 20th November 2020. The first one is change of certain examination center or minor correction in the address for November 2020. The second one is important announcement for November 2020 examinations. The third one is observations of candidates on the question papers of CA examinations November 2020, and the fourth one is CA exams November 2020 advisory to students against writing threatening mails to exam centers, action regarding. So I have consolidated all the announcements together. Let's see what all is in the announcements, and they all relate to our CA students who are going to sit for November 2020. So let's start with the announcements. The first announcement relates to the change of certain examination center or minor correction in the address for November 2020. So there are there are two cities in which change is there. Like in Delhi, for all the students who were going to sit in Mayo International School, now will sit in SD Education Society, care of JVSD Girls Senior Secondary School. So for all the students who had this venue, who had the existing venue of Mayo International School, will now be sitting in the new venue, that is SD Education Society. And in Ahmedabad, for all the students who were going to sit in LD Arts College opposite IIM Ahmedabad, Vastrapur, will be sitting in HL College of Commerce, late Prin SV Desai Road. So yes, there are two changes today. Regarding the certain examination center change, there was an announcement regarding this yesterday also, and I think few days before yesterday also. So I'll put all the related links of the announcements in the description box below so that you can go and check which all examination centers have been changed. You will carry the same admit cards. There is no change. Other things are same. The admit cards will be valid for new venues as well. The second important announcement is regarding the some curfew which is going to take place in Ahmedabad during 21st and 22nd November. So it has come to our knowledge that state of Gujarat has announced that there will be curfew in the city of Ahmedabad during 21st and 22nd November 2020 on the days on which Chartered Accountant examinations November 2020 are also scheduled at the centers in the city of Ahmedabad. So on 21st and 22nd November, there is a curfew in the city of Ahmedabad on the day, like it's tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And the institute has taken up the matter with the government of Gujarat and is pleased to inform that government of Gujarat, White Order Number this, has given relaxation to the students of Chartered Accountant course to appear for the examination as per notified schedule. So if you are residing in Ahmedabad, don't worry about the curfew. You are allowed, you have been given the relaxation. You can go and sit in the examination very easily. What you have to do, it is further stipulated that the admit card issued and downloaded by the students, that shall be treated as an e-pass during travel. So you can show that yes, this is our e-pass, and the students are further required to carry any photo ID card issued by central government, state government or institute for the purpose of their identification. Carry your photo ID as well. Your admit card is your e-pass, but also carry your photo ID card. Please remain in touch with the official website for further announcement in this regard. So if you're residing in Ahmedabad, due to curfew during 21st and 22nd, the institute says that the government has granted the relaxation to the students of chartered accountants. You can show your admit card, that is being treated as the e-pass, and carry your one photo ID card which is being issued by the central government, state government or the institute for the purpose of identification. Moving further to the third announcement, it says observations of the candidates on the question papers of CA examinations November 2020. So it is hereby it's hereby informed that candidates can bring to the notice of the examination department their observations, if any, on the question papers. If you have any observations regarding the question paper, you can mail at this given ID, or by letter you can write, you can send by a speed post, and that speed post has to reach by latest by 15 December 2020, or you can simply write an email at this ID. So the address is given for the speed post. The address is being given here, and please note that only those observations of students will be taken up for consideration who provide their following details. You have to provide your name, your registration number, your roll number, email ID, and mobile number. So you have to the institute will take up only the observations of the students who will be writing their considerations along with their name, their registration number, their roll number, their email ID, and mobile numbers. That means anonymous observations or anonymous speed posts will not be entered. You have to reveal who you are, then only the institute will entertain your observations. So this is about the observations on the question papers by the student. Then comes the next announcement regarding CA exams November 2020 advisory to students against writing threatening mails to exam centers action regarding. So it says that it has been reported by some examination centers that they are receiving threatening emails from some of the candidates appearing for the CA examination scheduled for November 2020. So the examination centers has reported to ICAI they're getting some emails, threatening emails from some of the candidates. The institute has viewed such demeanor by the candidates very seriously. It amounts to interfering in the examination process of the institute, which is a statutory function under the provisions of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949. The institute has already initiated actions in accordance with law against such students. As you are aware, the institute has already issued comprehensive guidelines on 8/10/2020 to examination centers, examination functionaries, and candidates which are in compliance with Government of India guidelines with focus on social distancing, thermal scanning and sanitization, etc. So already, and it has also created a Google form for the benefit of students to raise any issue relating to the examination. Like seriously, the institute has been coming up with all these announcements, and I can put the link in the description box below also. It has taken up the initiatives to tell you about the guidelines that were being issued to the examination centers, to the examination functionaries, and to the candidates for your safety basis, for social distancing, for thermal scannings. All the guidelines were already there. Then for the students who were in the containment zones, for them also the Google form was there. If there's any issue for that also is being heard by the institute. And now if any candidate is found writing any threatening mails directly to the examination centers, such action will be viewed seriously, and the institute does not hesitate to take action for such demeanor by the students. Examination centers have already been directed to bring such instances to the notices of the institute with details of such candidates like name and student registration number, etc., for our necessary action. So if now any candidate dares to do such thing, the institute is saying that it will take action on such demeanor, and it's not a good thing. It will be viewed very seriously. The institute will not take all these actions lightly, not at all. And the examination centers are now directed, they will report to the institute if they got any threatening email regarding anything related to the examination. So therefore students are advised to cease and desist from indulging in such irregular acts in their own interest. No, it's not right to do such things. So that's why institute has warned all the students that they cannot threaten the examination centers by writing such emails, as the institute will take up actions against such students. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found the video informative. Before leaving my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and hit the like icon. Thank you.